Hi everyone, this is ZPJ, Zoltan Paul Jambo, or ZPJ. I got my reading glasses on constantly because I can see well in distance, but I can't see anything up close. So when I need to read the numbers and the information on the mics, I can't see it without my glasses. This particular mic is an 845s, but it's not a Sennheiser, it's an Electro Sound. And it's made in China. It looks like the original. So the original is this one, which is a Sennheiser made in Germany. It's also an 845s, just like its Chinese cousin. It looks very much the same. This one on the back says made in China. The switches are in the same place. The color is almost identical. The windscreen is almost identical. It's hard to tell the difference from first look. It does say Electro Sound here, but it's pretty much identical even here. Of course, the trademark sign is in the Sennheiser, which here it's not. It just says 1, 2, 3 for each prong of the mic plug. The switches, it says on on both of them, off on both of them. The Sennheiser one is quite a bit heavier than this Electro Sound one. This is very light. This is quite sturdy and heavy. I don't know. Does that make some kind of effect on how it sounds? Well, this is an 845 as well. It's a cheap knockoff. It's not a fake because it doesn't say Sennheiser, but it is a knockoff. It's an e845s, exactly the same numbering. So if I hold this up close to the camera, hopefully it'll focus in on that. You might be able to see. I don't know if it's focusing, but if it's not, you'll have to trust me. They both say 845s. Electrosound Sennheiser. Let's see what this sounds like. And of course, if you want to compare this knockoff, then how it sounds compared to the Sennheiser, you can. I'm going to be using the same environment, same sound chain, universal audio, no post-processing, no coloration, no effects. Only the volume might be changed. And of course, you can hear what this sounds like in relation to all the other mics there. Below, you can see a list, which I've also have a recording of on this same channel. All right, without further ado, let's listen to the e845s by Electro Sound. Now I'm speaking into the Electro Sound e845. Oh my god. It's a knockoff of the Sennheiser. The Sennheiser e845s. This by Electro Sound, made in China, is also an e845s, but it sounds. I feel like I'm in a jet plane, in an airplane. There's a constant buzz, and you can hear that terrible hiss. And I feel like I'm speaking into a tin can. I'm listening to my voice in a tin can. What I can say about this mic in relation to the intended original, the Sennheiser, is they didn't even come close. This mic is much lighter. I don't know what kind of circuitry it has, but Is it a good mic? Would I use it? Well, it's good for a prank, I suppose. It's good to have this on this channel to tell you, don't buy fakes. There are a lot of fakes out. This is actually not a fake, it's a knockoff. But there are fakes of original Shures, original Sennheisers. And if you don't look at them properly, you don't check their weight, you don't check their unique characteristics, you might get a mic like this one. This one, how can you use this? Can you even use this mic even in a live setting? I mean, holy smoke! This is by far the worst mic I have ever experienced. This thing is just, I don't want to say it, but it's probably good for paperweight is what it is. Let's see. Oh my god, even when I get closer, the deeps are still not there. It's so like I'm speaking into a tin can. Oh yes, I'm trying to keep my voice as low as possible, but it's not. Now the plosive. Well, in terms of the plosives, it's not very different from the Sennheiser, but oh my god. And the gain is way up because there's just nothing going in there. I gotta crank the gain way up. This mic is absolute garbage. This is absolute garbage. Do I still have the case? I have the case, or it comes with this case. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best mic I've ever gotten. It's so horrible. It's funny. It's just you guys really have to send this video to your friends and make sure that they're really careful about what they buy, because if you just, you know, type in the number of the mic, like you type in e845s, and then it's sent to you. You might get this one by Electro Sound, and it's just absolutely horrible. Horrible. I mean, this is by far the worst mic I've ever used in my life. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. What can I say? Amen to Shure, Sennheiser, amen to Rode, amen to Neumann, but this, well, amen to that, amen to Electro-Voice for making my day bright, because this mic is funny. This is funny. ZPJ, over and out.